Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by today. I just wanted to quickly jump on and share this cute little pocket booklet that I've created following a tutorial by Sandy or Septeria18 here on YouTube. I'm sure you guys saw her tutorial already, but she recently just uploaded a tutorial on this cute little Happy Mail idea, and I just had to make one for myself. So I probably will give this to somebody and maybe put a gift card in it, but I just wanted to share how mine came out. So I did attach a little gingerbread charm to the corner there. And then on my flap here, I have ho ho ho. And this little flap just opens up. And I had a scrap paper, so I kind of just turned it into a little card. So you could write a note in here, but it's also a pocket. So I have just a small little fa la 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 ephemera piece. And by the way, most of this stuff that I used is from the Nice List paper pad by Park Lane. However, this paper, this brown paper with the snowflakes, is from the Holiday Chic paper pad by Recollections. So I thought they went well together. And then we have our side pocket over here. So I just have a little embellishment over there with this cute little gingerbread house sticker that my friend Laura gifted to me. And then in my side pocket, I just have another gingerbread man. And this little card that says, "Sugar, spice, and make Christmas so nice." I thought these two went well together. And then there's a pocket in the very back. So I actually went ahead and created a mini version of the same exact thing here. So this one here, I just tied my little twine to the side. I didn't really add anything to the front here because I just love the gingerbread people. They're so cute and I didn't want to cover them up. So I did add some trim to the side here. But again, I just left a little flap there to open up and it says ho ho ho. And then in my pocket here, I have a sticker that says "Cookies for Santa" and just a cute little truck cut apart. And then in my pocket in the back, I have just this small little journaling card and this one here that says "Merry and Bright." What a fun little project. I'm going to make a lot of these, I think. So I just wanted to quickly share this with all of you. And once again, thanks Sandy for all of the inspiration. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Happy crafting, everyone.